and in this video I'll show you how to make this goth 90s inspired body jewelry piece. I love how this turned out. I really love belly chains, and I kind of miss how popular they were in the 90s because they're just fun and sexy and a little bit more interesting than wearing maybe like a long drop necklace if you have a low cut top. You can also just spice up a plain tank top with this. You can wear this to festivals, concerts, you know, any place where you want to do something a little bit more interesting than your regular outfit. If you want to see more tutorials like this one, let me know in the comments below. If you're not already subscribed, please hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell next to it so you get updates when I post new videos. Follow me on social media at Katrinaosity, check out my podcast at MDXpods.com, and if you enjoyed this video, please click the like button. It really helps my videos get seen. For this project, you'll need 2 sets of jewelry pliers, but you can make do with one, as well as some jewelry cutters, thick chain that will fit around your waist plus several inches, thin chain that will measure around your neck plus a couple of inches, and some decorative chain to go along your sternum, as well as a lobster clasp or an extender if you prefer, and large and small jump rings. The first thing you should do is cut your chain to fit around your neck, plus 1 or 2 inches, depending on how much you want it to drape. Then take a small jump ring and use that to attach a lobster clasp to one end of your neck chain. Then on the other end of that neck chain, use another jump ring to attach a third jump ring, and this is what you will hook that clasp into to open and close the necklace section of your jewelry. Once you've made that section of the piece, close it up using the clasp, then grab it with your thumb and forefinger and pull through the necklace portion to find the center of the necklace. Use another small jump ring to attach your sternum piece of decorative chain to the very center of your necklace piece. This way it will drape nicely and the clasp will be at the center of the back of your neck when you wear this piece. Close that jump ring up and you should have something that looks like this. Take your thick length of chain that fits around your waist and use a jump ring to attach a lobster clasp to one end of that chain and another jump ring to either attach a third jump ring or a jewelry extender to the other end of the belly chain. Then close up that section and using your thumb and forefinger to hold the clasp, pull through the entire belly section till you find the front center of it. Then use another small jump ring to attach the bottom of your decorative piece of chain to the front center portion of your belly section of chain and close it up. And that's all there is to it. It should look something like this when laid flat. And to put it on, simply put on the smaller section of chain like you would a necklace, and then unhook the belly portion and reattach it behind your back so that it sits around your waist. This piece will drape differently depending on the measurements that you choose for your chain. I prefer to leave quite a bit of excess around the waist section so that it drapes at a steep angle, but you can really personalize this and make it your own. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more videos like this one, let me know in the comments below, and if you enjoyed this video, please click that like button. It really helps my videos get seen.